Hello everyone, it's Maddie and
Madison
with
Spectrum Art.
That's right, with Spectrum Art. And really fun project, easy to do. And believe it or not, this is all you need. That's it. 4 items. You'll need some glue. You'll need a pair of scissors. You will need paper. Any paper will do. 6x6 works really well. Any scraps of paper, even book pages, magazine pages, anything you have that you want to use to decorate, you can go ahead and utilize. And a plain old file folder. That's it. That's all you're going to need to make this project. Now, and also any color, by the way. So even if you're recycling an old one, that's fine as well. So now that we know that we only need 4 items, believe it or not, let me show you what I went ahead and made. For a while, I've been saying that I've been wanting to do a pink Christmas because Christmas is almost here. Actually, we're what, 4 days away? 3 days away from, I know it's crazy, from Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everyone. If you're watching this during the holidays. But I've been wanting to do, to utilize a pink Christmas because pink is my favorite color. And I got this gorgeous sugar blush paper pad from Recollections, which is Michael's, while it was on sale. So been wanting to utilize this pad, which we had already shared previously, but we only ended up using half, and actually we still have pages left over and even tons of scraps. And what I made was this. This was utilizing just those 4 items. Now there are some optional things, such as, the closing. You can either use, of course, a piece of ribbon, or even if you wanted to do, an elastic band or a hair band or anything that you wanted to do. It's up to you. But you can always just use, a hair band and put some dangles from it and whatnot. But this is what we ended up using, and it's just a piece of ribbon that we've actually glued on there. And let's go ahead and open and take a look. So the first thing we see is that it says, "All is calm, all is bright." And we've got this gorgeous pink background scenery with windows, and it's snowing and real pretty. But again, we kept it very simple. We didn't go back. I thought about putting glitter and stickles and stuff on there, and we might, maybe even some lace, we might, but just to show you how cute it looks just as is. Okay, now this opens this way, and our base again was that file folder. So we open it this way, and first thing we see is we have 3 different flaps. This has got tuck spots right here. It's got a tuck spot right here, and it's got another one right here. And again, this is using all the ephemera, all the cutouts from the pad itself. Okay. This paper was a scrap piece of paper that we had, the same as this. So this is going to be the only paper that we had. I think it was like a leftover from a 12x12, which I went ahead and utilized. And then we have 2 small pockets on either side, this way. Okay, one here, one on this side, and then a bigger one here. Look at that, isn't that a beautiful paper? And I love these because they're double-sided. So even if you choose to use the other side, it still looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then this goes, this goes this way. And once that is done, then you go ahead and you flip these up. Oh, I should have said there's a belly band here too. Let me show you that. See? Actually, you know what? Let me borrow one of these because there's belly bands throughout. So there's another opportunity there for pictures or movie tickets or whatever it is that you want to go ahead and keepsake. Then that opens this way. And then these fold out this way. And they reveal the gorgeous nutcracker. Left this plain because of the fact that we figured it's A, so pretty, but B, you can always mount a picture or whatever it is that, that anyone wants to utilize on there. But there is a little hidden belly band, top band on each side, just in case. But if not, it just looks like a trim. And then, of course, we got 2 more pockets on either side, right? Okay, then after that, we take this flap and we flip it up, and we've got this gorgeous Merry and Bright. And in here, once again, we've got a large tag, writing surface area, picture mounting area, and we have another hidden little pocket down at the bottom. Okay, it looks like a trim, but it is an actual pocket. Then we go to the bottom, and in the bottom we have this gorgeous big pocket right here, and then another band there. You could make this into a pocket. I didn't want to do it, but you could. You could also make this into a tuck spot if you just glued, the 3 sides and left that one open. Wow, we have some serious wind outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's howling. And then we went ahead and did 2 more pockets right here on either side, and 2 small tuck spots on the bottom, again utilizing all the little bits and pieces that came with the pad itself. Again, the big one here, tuck spot here, and then we have 2 more tags right here, okay, on either side. So lots of pockets and tags and belly bands and surface areas to write, to journal, to post, to paste your pictures, to put some gift cards and some sentiments, some poems if you want to give this to someone as a gift. But all of it done simply by utilizing 4 items: glue, paper pad, scissors, and a file folder. Now, we did use, you could use a little bit more items. Those are the essentials, okay? But we did use an ink pad and actually distress the edges, as you can tell, okay? That's optional. We did utilize some washi tape to adhere these 2 fold-out flaps. Does not have to be, just by actually creasing the paper. You can also just glue it down, but we just thought that little gold, gave it a nice, nice finish on the edge, and some bling. What else did we use that was optional? So that's optional, that's optional. Oh, we used a circle punch to punch out these little grooves. It just makes it easier to pull out the tags. Do you have to do it? Absolutely not. It's completely optional. But again, oh, I just lost that one. It just makes it easier to kind of, put your finger in there, at least for me, because right now I don't have any nails. And what else did we use? We might have used a corner rounder. Yes, we did. On these, because those are these. Let me find them. And again, like I said, we still have bits and pieces left, but let me find that page. And again, look, even the all the bands that we used, were all part of the pad here. But on the pieces here, I went ahead and rounded the edges, and you could do that manually with a scissor. So, but those are the only optional things that we really used. An ink pad, if you'd like to, a piece of washi tape, a couple of pieces. If you want to create these fold outs, do you have to? No. Could you use glue? Yes. A corner rounder, which you can totally do by hand, and a hole puncher if you want to go ahead and cut out, some of these little grabber pocket semicircle things. But that's it. Simple, really easy to make. Very few items needed. I kept the back plain. Could you put a piece of a pocket here and put it? Absolutely. I mean, corner tuck spots, whatever you like. Also in the pockets, could you actually make little booklets and stick them in there? Sure. I mean, the sky's the limit. The idea is just having the structure with all of these, like, amazing amount of tags and tuck spots and large journaling areas. And so we hope that you guys will give this a try. We hope that you've enjoyed it. If you want to see an actual video on how we actually utilize and actually made it, do let us know. Let us know in the comments, because, more than happy to share that with you guys. Maybe we can even do a craft along live or something where you gather up your supplies and we go to work and we make this together. So once again, let us know what you think in the comments. We'd love to hear from you, and we want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we hope to talk to you soon. God bless. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.